I've got a great little showcase for you today where we're going to look at conditional formatting. Now you may be wondering what is conditional formatting. You may also be wondering why have I got Jennifer Lawrence on the screen. When we look at data in Excel and we want to change the way it looks, all we need to do is apply some makeup, which is formatting. Okay, so in comparison, a little analogy for you. Think of Jennifer, before and after photo. All she's done is applied makeup, so she's changed the way she looks. She's still the same person, same values, exactly the same in Excel. Let me jump on this sheet here and I'll just show you a little example here. So here we have a series of numbers. We've got 5 with 2 decimals, dollars, percentage, which is 500%, a couple of date formats and a time. Got some different colors, italics, underline. Believe it or not, that's all the same value. All I've done is applied makeup. I've changed the way it looks. So if I select all that and go back up to formatting and change it back to a general format, look at that, it's all back to 5. So I didn't change the value, I changed the way it looks just by applying a little bit of makeup. Just a silly little analogy for you to try to remember what formatting is. We're going to go the additional step and say only apply makeup if you meet a certain condition. Now I've got a couple of examples here. We're going to go through a number of techniques of applying conditional formatting. This one is just a simple little data set. Try to extract the highest number out of that, or the lowest. It's going to take you a little bit of time to go through it. We can apply formatting, so we're going to change the way it looks if it meets a certain condition. So within the 6-month period, different models that have been sold, this is programmed to be dark green if it's the highest number, and dark orange if it's the lowest number, and all the different shades in between. So it's meeting a condition, changing the way it looks. The total column is slightly different. It's like an inbuilt chart within the cells. So the highest number will always fill the cell, the lowest relative to it, just like a chart, and all the different ones in between. Okay, so there are a couple of great little examples just to bring your boring, mundane data sets to life with colour. Another little example here, if I said to you to go through and pick out all the stationary ones, for example, or hardware, different categories, it's going to take you a little bit of time. Or you can use conditional formatting where it's got a condition that the category has to meet the selection, and if it does, then it's going to highlight the row. So this is it in action. So you can pick out any category that you like, and it will go through, and anywhere where it meets the condition, it'll change the way it looks, apply some makeup. So much easier to read that. And lastly, just a very simple little data set with some students' exam results. We have a pass mark set up the top at 70%. If you had 100 students, it's going to take you a little bit of time to pick out the ones that have passed or failed. But we can go through and once again apply some makeup, change the way it looks, and say if it's equal to or greater than the past result, highlight the row green, and if it's below, make it red. Okay, we can also change through the past result and it will change accordingly. As soon as it meets the condition, it will change the format. Okay, so just jumping back to the first example, this one is also dynamic, so you can apply it once and it's just sitting there, it looks good. But if your numbers change, for example, we might sell a car for 200,000, all of a sudden that is the highest number, it turns green, dark green, and all the rest change accordingly. And this chart in the total column obviously changed as well. This one is now the highest selling. Great little tools for you to bring your data to life and make it really easy to read. Are you all set for the 60-second conditional formatting showcase? This is going to be a mad minute, so I'm just going to push start on the clock and we'll get stuck straight into it. So we need to select all of this and apply the colour scale, and then we need to get all the totals, and we wanted to put the blue data bars in there. And then this one we need to select it all. This will actually take a little bit longer because I need to write a function for it, and the function is going to be where that one equals this one. We want to format the fill to a light green. That's good. Okay. And then the last one is once again a couple of functions here. So we want a new rule where this one is greater than or equal to this one. We want to format that to, I'll do the light green in this case. And then lastly, one more to go. The function is going to be when this one is less than this one, we want to format that to red. Pretty close, fraction of a second over maybe, but I'll take it as a pass maybe. Anyway, I showed you previously how they work. That was just giving you a little bit of an example of how much you can apply in a 60-second or 60 and a little bit seconds time period. So once you understand them, you can apply them quickly, bring all your information to life. Fantastic little tools, really worth learning how to do it. So I hope you enjoyed that one, and I hope to see you soon. Thank you. The 60-second showcase series is designed to highlight some of the many features within Microsoft Excel that will add professionalism to your business, it will make your job easier, and ultimately it will save you money. EXCELutions is based in Manila, providing on-site and public Microsoft Excel training sessions in Northeast Victoria and beyond. Check out our webpage, look us up on Google, we're on all the socials, Insta, Facebook, LinkedIn. Give me a call today. You may just become a proficient, efficient spreadsheet wizard. Thanks for watching.